If you have the adjustment problem with your bike derailleur, which is the back part of the bike that allows you to change gear, well, the adjustment of that part of the bike will result in an unloading of the chain from the cassette, or in endless click, 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 click when you try to shift your speed, just because it's misaligned on all the gear or just some gear on the cassette. Well, of course, it goes so well better when you can do that job into a bike shop, when you can handle your bike from the saddle and you have all the tools to work on it, but still there is some adjustment you can do at home. I've just do it myself in about 15 minutes and now everything is perfect. So there is 3 adjustments per meter on your derailleur. The first 2 are screws. Both of them adjust the limit on every side of the cassette. The high one will be the limit where the derailleur can go on the biggest cassette, so the one on the left, the one on the interior side. So this one will set the limit so the chain don't go too much on the left. And the lower one will be the one for the smallest gear, so the one on the right, on the exterior side, so the chain don't go too far on the right. So what you will do with those, very important, you will move to the smallest gear and you will adjust the low screw so that the chain moves to the center of the lowest gear. Then you can move to the biggest gear and do the same with the high screw. Then what you can do is to index your speed. You'll be able to do it with that roller. This will determine the distance of the derailleur will move between each gear. There is many types of cassette, and of course not all of them have the same distance between each gear. This is why this adjustment is here. So by turning this, you'll be able to find the sweet spot where the chain will be centered on all of the gear between the smallest and the biggest. Just make a quarter turn and test your bike between all of them until you find the sweet spot. This part can be really enraging because it will take some time and it won't work the first time, but just be patient and you'll succeed. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you can find me back easily next time you need help. Now, if you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I read absolutely everything and I'll maybe even make a video just for you. Finally, that video was free, so yes, I accept donation. Thank you very much in advance, take care, and I hope to see you again, maybe on my main channel. See ya!